Good day everybody and welcome to another video. Today we are going to unbox the Rodecaster Pro and see what's in the box for you all who are interested. So let's get on with it. It's a pretty heavy box, I think. And away we go with that. Let's open it up. And let's slide it out. If I can get it. Let me do it like this. First I see is a big card with the Rodecaster Pro on it, and we have some updating information here in the card. Then we have another card describing the back panel and what it's for, and the front panel also. So you have all the things you need to know on this card. Here is more information about connecting the Rodecaster Pro to different microphones and your phone and your computer. There are more here, how to record and connect speakers, headphones and memory card. There's a memory card, headphones, speakers, and how to record. Could be useful if you have to read them. And here is the device itself. Pretty nice actually. Looks very nice. Actually, I was expecting some kind of plastic lid. I have seen that before. They have a lid that you can put it over when you have it standing, so it's protected from dust and so what. The controls are very smooth and very nice. I'm gonna enjoy using this, though this is not a technical bit of this machine or device, because there are plenty of other videos out there who can explain the technical part of this machine. I'm just doing an unboxing and checking it out. So we have 4 Xlr inputs. There you have for the phone, and you have for speakers, headphones. There's the speakers. That's the micro SD card slot, and the power and the on switch. I think this device is it's gonna be very nice for my live and podcasts and everything else I can use it for. It will make me very happy. You have buttons here for you can load on music and sound effects, so you can use it. And there are as I said, 3 inputs for Xlr. So this is the volume levels for the four Xlr inputs. I'm sorry. And here is the for the USB input, and here's the phone, and you have Bluetooth also. And this is the volume for these buttons. You can see the lines separating them all. So let's what's more in the box in this Rodecaster Pro. I guess you need some other things than just the panel itself. So we put that away, and let's see what's in this box. Let's just pour it out. So this is some card for it fits. It's like you put it on there, then you can write. I guess you can write what the different buttons are for, because I was wondering, these buttons are only colored, so you have to remember from your head to which button does what sound and what music you want to have. But this one, this would help. So you can write on the buttons what's on it, and you put it, so you don't have to remember everything, because my memory is so bad. So, and of course there is a USB cable, I think. Yeah, it's a USB to USB-C. So you can use it for connecting device to your computer. Then we have the power brick. And since I'm living in Sweden, there is for the European market. And actually you have several of these. There are two, so you can switch them around. And what this is for, well, I figure it out when I use it. So let's see if we can hook this bad body up to power so you can see it light up. So let's do this. Twisting and turning, twisting and turning. It's not only for your entertainment, it's for mine, because I want to see it light up. Let's put that inside there. And we need some power. That could be nice. So we disconnect this one. Put in the power brick. Let's do it like this. Or maybe do it like this. So then we connect the Rodecaster Pro to the power. Like that. Put it down. Power on. And nothing. Oh, wait, I need to do this. Of course, I need to put the power on in the jack. Put it in. Ah, now it's powering off. Oh, oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is amazing. Oh, I really love it. Such a beautiful colors. Wait, I will turn off the lights and you can see it better. This is really nice. If I can find a light switch. Oh man, this is so dumb. Like that. And we do it like this. Oh, do you see? Beautiful colors. and you see all the buttons. Then you can put it like this. So nice. And you have the touch plate here, so you need to take this away. Oh, like this. Now you have to set time and so on and so on, and connect it to your computer, and you're ready to go. So I'm just showing you a bit of the device itself, how to connect it up. Then the hour will be, this video will be much longer than I wanted. And in this room it's very hot in Sweden today. It's about 30 degrees. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you the, not the knowledge, but the urge to get one, because I don't regret I'm getting one. I got one because I'm just so in love with this, and I haven't even used it yet. So until the next time, and I promise you there will be more bag reviews. I have done 2 unboxings now because I bought stuff that I'm not a technical guy, I'm more a bag guy, so I'm just unboxing it for you, for your entertainment and enjoyment. So until the next video, have a nice day, and wherever you're in the world, have a great, great, great continuous summer. Goodbye.